This is my daily driver smartphone. This is the iPhone XS Max. And I've actually been boxed inside the iPhone ecosystem, the Apple ecosystem for the longest time. In fact, my daily driver laptop is the MacBook Pro 13-inch with a touch bar. And every time they come up with the new MacBook Pro, I ended up buying it. But anyway, I wanted to see what's on the other side. I wanted to try a different ecosystem, and that's the reason for the video for today. We're actually going to unbox a mystery package, a mystery box, if you will, from Huawei. It consists of 3 gadgets, which will build an ecosystem of its own, consisting of a smartwatch, a laptop, and a new smartphone. So join me as we do this triple Huawei mystery package unboxing. Now, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. Why? Because we're giving away a brand new YEEZY 350 Boost V2 Cream. All you guys have to do is, number 1, to subscribe to the channel. Number 2, follow me on Instagram. Number 3, hit the notification bell. And number 4, click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Now, if you couldn't understand all of that being said, I actually wrote a step-by-step guide on how to do the entire thing, which is pinned in the comment section down below. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have a mystery package from Huawei, and I can feel in my hands there are like 3 kick-ass gadgets in here, and we will be unboxing them one by one. And I want to kick things off hard and crazy. So let's start with this big box that we have over here. So you guys can see it comes in this brown carton box with the outline of the Huawei logo here, as well as the laptop. So let's just take this out of the box. Let's take this out of the box already in very Hulk-like fashion, because I can't find my knife. I think I left it in the office, and I really wanted to do the unboxing already for this device. So we'll use our hands and tear it up. So here you guys have it. Boom! This is it. This is the Huawei Matebook laptop. So as you guys can see, wow, it is so thin. I did not expect it to be this crazy thin. I mean, let's just take this out of the wrapper, shall we? Wow. Whew. Man, that looks really kick-ass. When you take a look at how thin that laptop is. So here you guys have it. This is the Huawei Matebook. You have that really nice Huawei logo here. It has some sort of texture. So if you like touch it, you do feel it sticking out a bit. And you have like the usual stickers here at the back. It says here that it's NTC approved. It is Windows. It uses the NVIDIA GeForce card. So if we pop this open, it's been a while since I last unboxed a laptop, guys. I mean, I've been using my primary workhorse, which is like the MacBook Pro, which I will be, it looks from the looks of things, will be probably retiring for a bit as I try to switch over to a new ecosystem. So you guys can see, you have that really nice keyboard over here, that giant screen, and man, I'm excited to be able to test this out. So that's the first item that we have on the list. This is the Huawei Matebook. We have 2 more gadgets in this package, so let's take them out and see what's inside. So first up, this is familiar. This is the Huawei Watch GT. I actually have one already, which I did an unboxing of in my Huawei P30 Pro unboxing video. So if you guys haven't seen that yet, I will put the link down to that in the comment section down below. Let's take out the wrapper so we can see if it's the same Huawei watch. I hope. Wow, I think it's different. So let's take this out. Oh, boom, here you guys have it. This is the Huawei Watch GT. I mean, it looks really nice for a smartwatch. You have that some sort of like orange thing around the face of the watch. You have that almost like bluish kind of sports band that goes along with it. So this one pairs seamlessly with your Huawei smartphone, be it the P30 series or the Mate series or whatever Huawei device that you guys rock. That's the second item on the list. This is the Huawei Watch GT. Finally, we have one more item on the list, which is obviously a smartphone. This is the Huawei P30. So I actually already have the P30 Pro. This is the smartphone that's currently my daily driver. I've been using it a lot. Quite happy with it, and I will be doing the 30-day review of this smartphone in the next few days ahead. So watch out for that one, guys. An exhaustive real-life review of the Huawei P30 Pro after using it for 30 days or a little over a month. But we have to take a look at what's inside. This Yeah, I just love the sound of wrapping paper being peeled off smartphones and other devices. Gives that ASMR effect. It like releases dopamine in my head, making me happy. But anyway, so here you guys have it. This is the Huawei P30. So if this is the P30 Pro version, this is the non-Pro version. The big difference mainly is the zoom camera. This one has the 50x zoom, which is just crazy and absolutely insanely sick. This one, I think, just goes up to 30x if I'm not mistaken. So let's take off the wrapper. So here you guys have it. This one is the Aurora colorway, where you have that blue-green thing going on. This is the breathing crystal colorway. So those are the two colorways for the Huawei P30 series. There's actually a third one, which is a black colorway for the P30. So if you want something very sleek and very executive, you go with the all-black model. If you want something more on the fun side, you go with this one. If you want something cleaner, you go with the breathing crystal. So you have three different color options for the P30 series. So here you guys have it. This is the Huawei P30. I will be doing like a review of this one as well after I finish up my review of the Huawei P30 Pro. Watch out for that in the next few days. So there you guys have it. Those are the three Huawei devices that I wanted to unbox for you guys. We have the Huawei P30, we have the Huawei Watch GT Watch, and we have the Huawei. Let me just take it out of the box because it just looks so nice and it's so light. Actually, of all the three devices, this one is I'm the most excited about because it's been a long time since I used a Windows PC. I've been hooked on the Apple ecosystem for the longest time, and I am excited, beyond excited, and a bit challenged to be able to try on, well, going back to Windows. So let's see how that goes. But I am excited. My brains are all fired up to see how I can make it all work. So there you have it, guys. The Huawei Matebook, the Huawei P30, and the Huawei Watch GT. So that's actually it for the vlog for today, guys. And if you are wondering why there is a sudden change of clothes and look, it's mainly because this part of the file of the original video was corrupted. Doink! So I had to reshoot the ending. But anyway, at least I was able to save like a big chunk of it before the file just conked out to me. But anyway, guys, that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.